it's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are well. So in today's video, I'm gonna be decluttering and organizing our hallway laundry area. Y'all, I've been like closing this door, not even like want to look in it or anything like that. No judgments here, y'all, okay? So I'm showing y'all what it looks like. It's really bad, okay? I'm just gonna say that it's really bad. I've been putting it off for so long and just piling stuff in here, and it's no rhyme or reason to it, but I'm gonna try my best to get to it today. And because it's so much, that's all gonna be in this video, like for real. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Before I show you guys what it looks like before, I wanna let you guys know that this video is in collaboration with Kay from Living a Sharp Life. I'm gonna let her introduce herself to you guys. And don't forget to visit Kay's channel after you finish watching this video. Her channel link will be listed in the description box below. And also leave her a comment letting her know that I sent you guys over.
What up? What up? What's up? My name is Kay and I am from Living a Sharp Life. There on my channel, you will find a whole lot of honest, real life mommy moments and day in the lives with my wonderful husband and 3 awesome boys. I also do a lot of cleaning motivational videos, organizing and decluttering videos, seasonal decorating videos, and so much more. We are a family that loves the Lord and just trying to live a strong, humble, amazing, relentless, and purposeful life. So once you're done watching this great video, shoot over to my channel and watch my video. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. And if you do, welcome to Living a Sharp Life.
So this is all the stuff that I pulled out of this area as well. All right, y'all ready? Okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to do it, but I'm gonna do it. Because once I start, I can't stop. I can't. Here's the other side. Stuff about to fall and everything. So what I'm gonna do is pull everything out, just put it right here in the floor where I can see it, go through everything, and then try to organize it in a way that's, you know, easy for us and more efficient. So that's my goal. So right now, let's get everything out of these cabinets.
Watching the TV just to waste some time. Nearly been 3 weeks now since I saw ya. Got no patience, got no.
If you're coming over from Kay's channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. I hope that you guys would stick around for the rest of this video, as well as check out the other content on my channel as well, as I create DIY videos, organization, cleaning, basically homemaking videos. So I would love for you to just take a look around and see if this channel motivates you enough to click that subscribe button. Also, leave me a comment in the comment section letting me know that you are new here. I would really love to chat with you and welcome you to my channel.
Why don't you come over? Baby, I just want you to hold me close. Miss you, baby, and I'd kiss you if I could, but you're too busy to come on over. Without you, I feel so low. Staying inside watching movies. I wanna hold you close, yeah. I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. Tell me why. I just wanna know what's taking so long for you.
All right, so this is so embarrassing, y'all. This is all the stuff that came out of the laundry room. All this stuff. All of this stuff. So what I'm going to do now is just go through all of it, throw what needs to be thrown away or what just don't belong, kind of organize it, and see if I can make some sort of rhyme or reason to this mess.
long for you to come through. 'Cause girl, you got me feeling anxious, anxious. Girl, you got me feeling anxious, anxious. It's been so long since it was just. Why don't you come over, baby? I just want you to hold me. Anxious, anxious. Anxious, anxious. Anxious, anxious. Why don't you come over, baby? I just want you to hold me close.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your...
Okay, so I know it looks the same. But in my mentals, I think I have an idea of you know, what it's gonna be like. But anyway, cleaners and laundry stuff is over here. These are some of the baskets that I emptied. This little area right here is like some of my craft stuff back here, and then my husband's tools that are upstairs. His bigger boxes downstairs, so we just have some up here that we use on a regular basis or more regular basis, so we don't have to go downstairs. This is trash I've started. This is cleaning rags that I have. These are clean. These are two. I need to fold those up and put them together. That over there is more trash. So I was getting overwhelmed trying to find, you know, trying to find grouping like items. I was getting overwhelmed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start putting the stuff back in, like the laundry stuff and the cleaners, trying to go ahead and organize that stuff first. And then that way I feel like I've made some progress. The floor will be a little bit more clear, and then hopefully my mind will be a little bit more clear to think about where I'm gonna put the rest of this stuff. I'm so short. Hey.
With my man, some distance from the ocean. Wavy like the ocean, baby. Yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. Say bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Damn. Oh no, no, no. Girl, up for my key.
This cabinet is shorter than this cabinet. This cabinet is taller, so I was trying to put my cleaning stuff over here.
Did I make you need me to come over there?
No, what I'm saying is it won't fit.
It'll fit, you just can't reach.
I don't want to have to reach high. You see what I'm saying? Huh?
But you don't want it up there.
See, look.
Will it fit up top? Or will it fit on the other side?
It'll fit up top, but I can't get up
Well,
there.
will it fit in the middle one?
No.
Yes, it will.
I just tried.
But you said will it fit up top?
Yeah, but I ain't gonna be able to reach it.
I live here, man.
I don't want to have to call you every time I need something from the top shelf.
Well, what you gonna do then?
I don't know. right, you guys, here is the finished product of the laundry closet. So right here, I've got all my cleaning cloths and rags in one spot. And next to it, I have just extra miscellaneous cleaning stuff such as Scotch pads, Mr. Clean Magic erasers, the little toilet stickums or whatever you want to call them, extra Swiffer brushes, stuff like that. And then next to it, I have my extra mop heads and my mop scrubber attachment to it. And then above that on the next shelf, I just have like the kids painting craft stuff, like when they have to do projects or stuff like that for school. And then next to it, I have extra screws, staples, stuff like that for the staple gun. And then next to that, I have my husband's smaller toolbox for upstairs, as well as the drill, the hammer, and the mallet. Above that, I just have my craft stuff, candles, all that kind of stuff, DIY stuff. And then this one on the right hand side just has some of my seasonal tablecloths. So I just left these two here to store like my dryer balls, or any socks that are missing mates. In this basket on the left, I just house the bigger bottles of the detergent or fabric softener, Clorox, that I'll use to refill my jars below, as well as extra tissue. We do have tissue in both bathrooms, closets, but then I also keep some extra here, as well as extra paper towels. So over here is just extra cleaning products, overflow from the ones I have under the bathroom and the kitchen sinks. I also have my my laundry products, my Downy scent beads that I have to find a container for, as well as Indust and some alcohol wipes in the back. Next to it, I have my container for my Clorox and this one for my fabric softener. I picked these up from Marshall's for $2.99 each. And then right here, I have my OxyClean in this cute container that I found from Marshall's as well for $5.99. And then the one next to it has my laundry pods in it. And this one was $9.99. If I ever go to liquid, which I do go back and forth with liquid, then I'll just find another container for that. But I thought these were really cute to add to the laundry closet. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging with me today. I hope you enjoyed the after of the laundry closet and also the real life moments that I left in. Don't forget to go over to Kay's video. Show her some love, you guys. Subscribe to her if you enjoy her content. Thank you so much for watching. Blessings to you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.